It is Meal Prep Monday and we are prepping all of our meals for the week for lunch and dinner. Bags! We're meal prepping!
And going shopping.
Woo! Do the bell peppers. Here.
Oh, it's like freshly stocked too. Look at that pretty display.
Alright. Should I take one from the bottom?
I've done that and it's fallen. Ooh! It's on sale.
Great.
Asparagus.
The secret ingredient to making everything better?
We're doing more math.
But this one, 37.5 cents per ounce. This one's 37.5 cents per ounce. Hardwood or hickory?
I think hickory gives more flavor, don't you think?
Okay, then let's go with this one.
All right, decisions.
So we're gonna make zucchini noodles. You want thin zucchini.
We got everything we needed, so now we're going to check out. Shelby broke it.
I did no such thing.
We're done grocery shopping. Hello and welcome to Shelby's Kitchen where we're gonna make food. Shelby's rules, I can't season anything. I'm not allowed to. It's too advanced.
How you feel?
I don't know, teacher, tell me.
Looks good to me. 20 minutes!
Oh, we're cutting the bacon.
Yeah, it's easier to use scissors. It's really slippery bacon. Balsamic. Little drizzle. Little drizzle. Olive oil. And you do quick drizzle. I come bearing chicken. We are making a turkey and sweet potato casserole thing. So it's gonna be turkey, sweet potato, eggs, and then like veggies and stuff. We have lots of sweet potatoes.
And we have meals for days. Got it all. And welcome back. We have just worked out and we are going to make some zoodles for dinner.
It makes lovely noodles. Pesto pasta with zoodles, aka zucchini noodles, and shrimp.
All right, biggest Parmesan cheese.
All right. Oh, is it good? Is it good? I know they're long zoodles. Huh? Good? Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Complete. This meal was so good.
And the meal prepping was a success. We should not go hungry.
And we have dinner.
And it's healthy.
So everything worked out great.